When I talk about profitability in a landscape lighting business, I know how hard it is. I spent years where I had no money starting my business, and then I'm just struggling to get by. And then I got married, had kids, and the struggle got really real where it's like, I need to figure out how to make this business that's profitable. We were stuck at, one business level and, barely paying myself enough to get by. I need to afford education for my kids. I've got all these stresses that are just normal in life. So I looked at how can we make this business profitable? It's one of my passions is like, I know people could make good money in landscape lighting. And, we wanted to come alongside. So, one of the things at the very beginning of Sterling Lighting, we got approached by every distributor you could imagine, even some of the big national ones. We would have grown our business a lot faster, but the problem that I had was they wanted good percentage, 25 to 45% markup. And so I looked at what my customers, the landscape lighting people, were going to have to pay, and it really made no sense to me. Like, there goes your profit level. So if we could deliver a premium quality product and be loyal to lighting designers and allow them to make some more money, because you're crazy to go into this business. I was crazy to go in this business because it's a challenge. But if we could make it so the design and artistic side could really be expressed and people could make money doing it, that's really one of our focuses. So we do a lot of training programs and offer assistance, and really we celebrate growth with people. We love to see their businesses grow because I've been there. I know how hard it is when you're trying to pay the guys and pay bills and do everything else, and like, how do we make this so we can be profitable at it and we're not just giving all the money away to things that aren't needed?